guys, so I apologize, I'm just leaving the gym, but I wanted to make this quick video just to let you know that I did receive my SmileDirectClub aligners in the mail, and I made a unboxing video, basically just some clips showing you what the packaging looks like and, you know, everything that's inside. I was super excited to get it, so I just kind of ripped in the box. I just ripped in the box and I just started taking things out, and I really wasn't supposed to do it like that. You'll see what I'm talking about when you see the clips. But yeah, I got them yesterday, and I can honestly say that I'm not experiencing any pain at all with them, at all. They are tight. The liners, when you put them in, they are very tight, but I wouldn't describe it as pain, just, you know, uncomfortable. I do have a slight lisp, and you probably can pick it up on this video, whatever, but like I said, no pain at all. It wasn't uncomfortable. It was uncomfortable to, you know, when I put them in, but I didn't have any problem sleeping or anything like that. It wasn't like so unbearable that I had to take them out or anything like that. So yeah, so far so good, and I'll share, you know, the clips, the unboxing clips and everything. So yeah, see, they're on. Yeah, and I only take them out to eat. Okay, hey guys, so I just received my SmileDirectClub aligners. I just got them. The FedEx guy literally just dropped them off, and so I'm so excited. I grabbed my phone and I'm doing an unboxing so that you can see what all comes in the box. Okay, so I'm opening it up, and I'm using my hand to hold the phone, so I only got one hand, y'all. Literally. Okay, here we go. So I had to move because the lighting sucked where I was. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open the box. It says open for a lifetime supply of confidence, SmileDirectClub. Okay. And okay, so I see the gel whiteners, and this is a case for that's the case that you put the what do you call it? That's where you put that in. Okay, so these are chewies, and I believe this is what you use to make sure that your aligners are in place. You chew on those to make sure that they're in place. What's this? I don't know what these will. Okay, so the cards, it says truth to grand fight. It says open, and then when you open it up, it says we have to choose joy and keep choosing it every day. So these are just some little cards with some motivational things in there. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is the but I know that's just some lip balm. They had already gave me that. Okay. So this thing right here, this is excuse me. This says the aligner remover thingamabob. That's cute. Aligner remover thingamabob. So this is the little thing you use to actually remove your aligners. They don't want you doing it with your fingers. This is a smile stretcher. So it says if you have any hiccups uploading. Okay, this is what they use. I believe it's every month they want me to put this smile stretcher in and take a picture so that, oh, it says every 90 days. Okay, let me see, hold on. So yeah, I have to put that in my mouth and take a picture so that they can see my progress. Okay. Okay, y'all, I have to put my phone down again. Okay, so I just took it out of the box. So basically, that's it. And there's the invisible aligner guide. Okay, so this is the invisible aligner guide. And basically it just says welcome to the club. Before we get started. Okay. And it just tells you everything that's in the box. Okay. So yeah. Cool. Y'all, I'm so excited. Yes, I'm about to get these teeth straight. Yes, I cannot wait. Cool. And so you flip it over to the side. Patience, fellow grinder. Only pull out one set of aligners at a time. So okay, y'all, I'm so excited. Oh my god. So excited. Okay, so these are all my aligners. They all come, like, they give you all the aligners that you need at once, okay? Let's see. So this is the first one. Okay, it says month 1, week 1, and then month 1, week 2. 1 month, week 3 and 4. 1 month, 3 and 4. Month 2, week 1, and then it just goes on and on and on and on. When it gets to here, it has a sticker. It says it's time to order your retainers. So that's okay. There's the retainers because you need to wear the retainers once you're done with the aligners, and you have to wear your retainers, I think, for the rest of your life. So okay, month 5. So basically, I only have to do this for 5 months, not 6. Right? Well, I guess, let's see, month 5, week 3 or 4. So yeah, 5 months. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, guys, so I opened it up the wrong way. I wasn't supposed to take them all out at one time. So this is kind of what you have to do. You pull them out like that when you need it. So I'm about to put my first one in. This is 1 month, week 1. And so today is Thursday, so that means next Thursday I'll start week 2.